How to turn on the 24-hour clock format on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily turn on the 24-hour clock format on your Android device. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the very first thing you want to do is simply open up your settings menu. Once you land on your settings, what you're going to do is find your date and time format. And now it can be different depending on the device you're using. I'm currently using a Samsung device. So I'm just going to tap on General Management here. And then here you'll find an option for date and time. And then from here, if you have turned off automatic date and time, you could always set your date and time according to your preference. But what you're going to do is tap on this use 24-hour format. And instead of 1 p.m., it will show you 13 F, and it will start using 24-hour clock format. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.